Welcome to Binance, your guide to the world of crypto. Today, we're delving into the shadows of the digital world to uncover a hidden threat, dark data. Imagine a sprawling digital metropolis, humming with the constant flow of information. In this city of data, vast archives lie dormant, untouched and unanalyzed. This is the realm of dark data. For a massive exchange like Binance, this could be anything from old transaction logs and system reports to user navigation patterns, information collected during routine operations, but never used for insights or decision-making. While this type of dark data is often benign, simply forgotten in the digital attic, a more sinister form lurks in the corners of the internet, waiting to be exploited. This is the data you unknowingly abandon. Think of it like dusty, forgotten servers or sealed digital folders in a vast warehouse. Companies, in the course of their business, accumulate immense volumes of information. This includes server logs, customer service records, and even drafts of documents that were never finalized. This is the data that organizations collect, process, and store, but ultimately fail to use for any other purposes. It sits in the dark, often unsecured, representing a massive, untapped, and potentially risky resource. For the most part, this data is harmless, but its sheer volume and lack of oversight make it a potential goldmine for those with malicious intent. Now let's meet the predator who thrives in this environment, the shadow broker. Operating from a dimly lit room, surrounded by screens, he doesn't need to breach the fortified walls of a platform like Binance. Instead, he preys on the unsuspecting. His weapon of choice is malware, specifically insidious programs known as info stealers. These digital parasites infect your personal devices, your laptop, your phone, often through a seemingly innocent download or a phishing link. Once inside, they silently go to work. Picture your passwords, your browser cookies, and your saved login credentials being lifted directly from your device and transmitted across the web, straight into the broker's hands. This all happens on your end, turning your personal computer into a gateway for theft. With a fresh haul of stolen credentials, the shadow broker turns to his marketplace, the dark web. Here, in hidden forums and anonymous marketplaces, he packages and sells this sensitive information to the highest bidder. Your compromised account details are bundled with others, advertised as freshly cracked and ready for exploitation. The buyers are other cybercriminals who will use this data to drain accounts, commit financial fraud, or even steal your entire identity. A single compromised password can become the key that unlocks your digital life, leading to devastating personal and financial consequences. The data you thought was safe on your own device is now a commodity in a dangerous underground economy. But you are not powerless in this fight. It's time to step out of the shadows and into the light. Protecting yourself is about building strong digital defenses. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your accounts. This creates a crucial second barrier that a thief with only your password cannot cross. Next, audit your passwords. Use a password manager to create strong, unique passwords for every single service you use. Never reuse them. Finally, treat your devices like the fortresses they should be. Install reputable antivirus software and run regular security scans to detect and remove any malware like info stealers that may be hiding in your system. By taking these clear, actionable steps, you can secure your digital footprint and keep the shadow brokers at bay. Thanks for tuning in to this security deep dive with Binance. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.